Your beloved furry friend deserves the best care to stay happy, healthy, and full of life. As a loyal companion who depends on your love and support, your dog will flourish with the right care and healthy habits. By nurturing their well-being, you can help them live their very best life. Good health starts with proper nutrition. Choose high-quality dog food that suits your dog's age, size, and activity level. Look for options with real meat, healthy grains, and essential vitamins. Avoid foods with artificial additives or too many fillers. However, avoid overfeeding. Giving your dog too much food or too many treats can lead to obesity, which increases the risk of heart disease, joint problems, and diabetes. Always make sure your dog has access to clean, fresh water throughout the day to stay hydrated and support overall health. Always check with your vet before switching diets or adding supplements. Dogs need daily exercise to stay physically and mentally fit. The type and amount of exercise your dog requires will vary based on their breed and age. For some, a daily walk may be enough, while others might need more vigorous activities like fetch or swimming. Using a fun tool like the Chuck It dog ball launcher can help keep your dog active and engaged during playtime. Regular movement helps prevent obesity, strengthens muscles, and reduces behavioral problems. Regular grooming not only keeps your dog looking good, but also helps with hygiene. Brush their coat to remove loose fur and prevent matting. Bathe them as needed with a gentle dog shampoo. Don't forget nail trimming, ear cleaning, and dental care. These small tasks go a long way in preventing infections and discomfort. Dogs thrive on mental engagement, and boredom can lead to anxiety or destructive behavior. Keep their minds sharp with puzzle toys like the Squirrel Plush Dog Toy Puzzle, which encourages problem-solving and interactive play. Teaching new tricks or commands challenges your dog's mind and helps build a stronger bond between you. Dogs are social animals who need love and interaction. Spend quality time with your dog every day. Let them meet other pets and people in safe environments to improve their confidence and behavior. A happy, well-socialized dog is usually a healthy one too. Schedule regular vet visits to monitor your dog's overall health and address any concerns before they become serious. Don't forget to protect your dog from fleas, ticks, and other parasites by using appropriate preventative treatments. These parasites can cause discomfort and serious health problems, so regular protection is essential for your dog's well-being. By following these simple yet important steps, you'll give your beloved furry friend the best chance at a long, happy, and healthy life.